नमस्कार मु हेना आपण मानको पुणी तरे स्वागत करूछि मो चैनल स्टडी रूम को। लास्ट सेशन रे मु आपण मानको कहितली कि मु नेक्स्ट सेशन टी को ट्रू एंड फॉल्स टाइप रे क्वेश्चन मानको नै के आसे त मु नै आसी जे आज पे गोटे नुवा सेशन ट्रू और फॉल्स। तो चलन तो देरी न करी के आज रे सेशन टी को हम आरंभ करि नबा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन टी होछि accounting is the language of business. True or false? तो accounting is true. तो business रा पाई accounting होची तार गोटे language. Then 2. Accounting is as old as money itself. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Number 3. Accounting is a service function. Accounting is a service function. Is it true or false? No, it's wrong. This another statement. Accounting may be described as an information system which has its inputs, processing methods and outputs. Yes, of course. Accounting describe करे information को system रे information को तार inputs, processing method, outputs ये सब को नहीं कि accounting describe करे तो of course this line is correct. Then statement number 5. Accounting involves only the recording of business transactions. केवल business transaction recording दिखाए. That is wrong. Question number 6. Accounting records only those transactions and events which are of financial nature. केवल ताको ही recorded करे जहाँ केवल होचंती financial nature. Yes, this statement is true. Then our statement number 7. Accounting is an art only. So obviously wrong this statement. Kainki kaina ame kalli bhi padhithile accounting is both art and science. Then question number 8. Accounting means recording transactions, events, not their interpretations. This is wrong. Question number 9. Sub fields of accounting are bookkeeping and financial accounting. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Sub field होची accounting रो sub field होचन देखिए bookkeeping and financial accounting. Then our question number 10. Accounting is a social science. Yes, of course. Accounting is an art, science. हमें जंती पढ़ी तो accounting is a social science. Statement number 11. Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information. Is it true? Yes, it is true. This statement is true. Then statement number 12. Accounting is an exact measurement of discipline. No, this is wrong. Question number 13. Bookkeeping is only the art of recording. Is it true or false? It is false. 14. Bookkeeping ends where accounting starts. Both line is absolutely true. Then 15. Bookkeeping and accounting are one and the same thing. Bookkeeping and accounting are same things? Not at all. They are not the same thing. So this is wrong. Statement number 16. Accounting is useful only to the businessman. Not at all. This is not only for businessman. 17. Drawing reduce capital. Capital को reduce कर दे drawing. Yes, of course it reduces capital. Then statement number 18. Increase in asset arise because of increase in profits. Profit बढ़ेले हमारा asset बढ़ेगी बिल्कुल भी नहीं. This statement is wrong. Accounting is regarded as a primary function. Accounting गोटे प्राथमिक function भाବରେ धरा जायछि बिल्कुल नहीं. This is wrong. Number any value attached to human resource is shown as an asset. Yes, this is true. Accounting does not record all monetary transactions. accounting तो monetary transactions को ही record करेगा ना, then why not all? This is false. Then question number 22. Bookkeeping is the first phase of accounting. Yes, bookkeeping is the first phase of accounting. Then 23. Accounting is both art and science. Yes. Accounting provides enough information to the management for decision making. गोटे डिसीजन नबा पई accounting management को सठिक data provide करे. Yes, this is true. Then 25th, in bookkeeping, conclusion regarding the performance and financial position of businessman can be drawn. Is it true or false? It is false. Then 26. Fixed assets are the goods of business. No, not at all. This is also wrong. 27. Capital is the liability of owner. Capital is the liability of owner because we in the balance sheet we always shown it in the liability side. So yes, capital is the liabilities of owner. Then 28. Debtors are the asset of business. Are the debtors are the assets of the business? Yes, debtors are the assets of our business. Got it? Then question number 29. So question number 29 रे हमर कोन आसी जाउची? Loss decreases capital and profit increases capital. Obviously loss हबो जति हमर capital decrease करे जिबा हम जा invest करसे ता कमी जिवो. Profit जति हला ताले हमर capital बढ़ी जिवो. This is true. Then our last statement, bad debt is a loss of a business. Of course bad debt is a loss of our business. अब हम एतिकी ए 30 ट्रू एंड फॉल्स रो क्वेश्चन सहित मु आसीथिली. तो आशा करूछि ये सेशन टी मध्ये आपण माने को भले लागिथिबो. निश्चित आशा करूछि कि आपण माने ए सेशन किछि सिखिथिबे. जदि आपण माने को आज रो सेशन टी भले लागिथिबो तेबे मो चैनल को लाइक करिवे, शेयर करिवे, सब्सक्राइब मध्ये करिवे एवं हां जदि किछि डाउट रहि जैछि ताले कमेंट सेक्शन रे निश्चित भाबरे शेयर कर देबे. तो मो कमेंट सेक्शन रो देखि कि सब तक डाउट को नेकी गोटे स्पेशल सेशन निश्चित भाबरे अरेंज करे देबे. तो आज पे एतिकी. थैंक यू सो मच. टाटा, बाय बाय एंड गुड नाइट.